안녕하세요. Hello K-friends, how are you doing? A while back, a subscriber requested a video suggesting using pasta noodles instead of Korean noodles for dishes. I thought it was a great idea and gave it a try. And wow, it tastes really good. So today I want to share 4 recipes using pasta to make various Korean noodle dishes. Are you ready? Let's get started. You have many types of pasta at home, right? I know there are so many kinds of pasta. These are some of the pasta types I use occasionally. The thinnest one is angel hair. This is spaghetti. The slightly wider one is fettuccine. And this is penne, which is named because it resembles a pointed pen. This is rigatoni, which is a larger version of a penne. Today, I will use angel hair for soy sauce pasta because it's similar in thickness to Korean noodles. If you don't have Korean noodles at home, you can use angel hair instead. Soy sauce pasta. How to make the sauce. Put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, half a tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of garlic, and half tablespoon of vinegar. This is optional. In boiling water, add about half tablespoon of salt. Adding salt to the water seasons the pasta, making it tastier later. Put the angel hair pasta in the boiling water. For 1 serving, use about 3.5 ounces. Drum with pasta raises blood sugar less than regular flour noodles. If you are worried about blood sugar, try choosing pasta instead of regular flour noodles. Angel hair pasta is thin, so boil it for just 4 minutes. Slice a little cucumber thinly. Wash 2 small pieces of kimchi and squeeze out the water. Then slice it thinly. These will be added to the pasta later. After 4 minutes, drain the pasta and rinse it well in cold water. Place the drained pasta in a bowl. Add a sliced kimchi and cucumber. If you have seaweed flakes, add a little. If not, you can skip it. Pour the sauce over the pasta. Add a boiled egg if you want. Very simple and tasty soy sauce pasta is done. Bibimbap pasta. How to make the sauce. Put 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of red pepper powder, half tablespoon of red pepper paste, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, and 1 teaspoon of garlic. Mix well. In boiling water, add about half tablespoon of salt. For 1 serving, use about 3.5 ounces angel noodle. Today I'm using angel hair pasta. The consistency of the noodles is quite similar, so I think it's a good alternative to Korean noodles. Angel hair pasta is thin, so boil it for about 4 minutes. Slice 5 perilla leaves thinly. If you don't have perilla leaves, you can use a little lettuce instead. Slice a little cucumber thinly. Slice a little onion thinly. You can skip it if you don't like onions. After 4 minutes, likewise, drain the pasta and rinse it well in cold water. Place the drained pasta in a bowl. Add a sliced cucumber, onion, and perilla leaves. If you have a canned tuna, add a little. Today I'm using yellowfin tuna, which was recommended by a viewer. I think this taste is very good. Pour the sauce over the pasta. Mix all the ingredients well before eating. Wow, this dish really brings back your appetite. It's perfect for hot summer days. Perfectly delicious bibimbap pasta is done. Jajang pasta. Slice half a small onion thinly. Chop a little cabbage thinly. Slice a little cucumber thinly for garnish later. This is optional. Cut the shrimp in half. You can use pork instead of shrimp. Mince 3 cloves of garlic. In boiling water, add about half tablespoon of salt. Add about 3.5 ounces spaghetti. Spaghetti is thicker than angel hair, so it takes longer to cook. Follow the time on the package instructions. Boil for 9 minutes. While the pasta is boiling, stir fry the ingredients. In a pan, add about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil or olive oil. Add the minced garlic and stir fry until fragrant. Add onion and cabbage and stir fry well. When the onion becomes translucent, add the shrimp. Add about half tablespoon of soy sauce for seasoning and mix well. Add 3 tablespoons of jajang powder and 1 teaspoon of sugar, then stir fry well. Add a half cup of water first, then adjust the thickness by adding more water as needed. I put almost 1 cup of water. Boil for an additional 3 minutes. After 9 minutes, drain the pasta and add it into the pan. Mix well. Turn off the heat and add a little sesame oil at the end to enhance the flavor. Plate the pasta first, then pour the rest of the ingredients over it. You can eat it like this, and if you have a cucumber, add a little as a garnish. Very flavorful jajang pasta is done. It's very similar to jajangmyeon noodles. My husband couldn't tell it was pasta at all. If you don't have a jajangmyeon noodles, try making with spaghetti noodles. Kimchi pasta. Slice the 3 cloves of garlic thinly. Cut some onion into appropriate sizes. If you have a bacon, slice a little. You can use a pork belly instead of a bacon. Thinly slice about 2 leaves of kimchi. In boiling water, add about half tablespoon of salt. This is rigatoni. You can use spaghetti instead of rigatoni. Boil for 11 minutes. While the pasta is boiling, stir fry the ingredients. In a pan, add a generous amount of avocado oil or olive oil. Add a sliced garlic and stir fry until fragrant. Add a sliced onion, bacon, and kimchi, and stir fry well. Add about 1 teaspoon of sugar. It balances the sourness of the kimchi and enhances the flavor of the dish. After 11 minutes, drain the pasta and add it to the pan without rinsing. Add about 3 tablespoons of pasta sauce. Adjust the seasoning with a little salt, pepper, and herbs if you have any. Mix well. Put some your favorite cheese. Plate the pasta and serve. The kimchi pasta I introduced today is a dish I adapted by adding kimchi to a recipe my son made. I hope you enjoy this recipe too. Surprisingly, the combination of kimchi pasta and cheese goes very well together and is so delicious. How was today's recipe? We often have a pasta noodles lying around the house, and I think it's a great tasty alternative. I hope you enjoy how convenient and tasty these recipes are. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.